Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some jerk meatballs. Yes, I said jerk meatballs. So let me get started. So let me go inside because right now it's probably about 95 degrees. So let me go inside. I just took the jerk meatballs out of the oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and taste one. It's hot too. Oh, it tastes so good. And it tastes all the jerk seasoning through the meatballs. And they season just perfect with the salt and pepper. Just awesome. You have to try this recipe. I will link my jerk chicken recipe above. That way you can get the ingredients for the jerk sauce that I made. But this is really, really good. This is my fried cabbage and tomatoes. And here is my jerk chicken. Here is my jerk meatballs. They are delicious. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.